This week has been a mixed one for crypto prices, with some major developments taking place in the industry. Bitcoin has ended the week back above the $23,000 mark, which is a positive sign for the world's largest cryptocurrency. Despite some lingering recession fears, the GDP rose more than expected in the fourth quarter, which has given Bitcoin a boost. Ether, on the other hand, dipped more than 1% but still traded above the $1,500 level, and Polygon saw a significant surge, trading at $1.18 after soaring more than 7%. For the week, Bitcoin and Polygon are both up, with the former seeing 4 straight weeks of gains after a 14% increase last week. Ether, meanwhile, is on pace for its first negative week in 4. Now, let's take a look at some of the top stories in the crypto world this week. First up, FTX is objecting to a Department of Justice request for an independent investigation into the crypto exchange's collapse, according to Reuters. In a court filing, FTX reportedly pointed to the investigation the company is already conducting as a reason for their rejection, saying that the DOJ's proposed review would only add cost and delays to its case. As part of its own investigation, FTX is seeking information from Sam Bankman-Fried and his family members, as well as other insiders, about the transactions that allegedly used stolen funds. The company is also seeking information about political donations connected to SBF and asking questions about a political action committee and an advocacy organization founded by the former crypto executive and his brother. In a new filing, FTX lawyers have clarified that being included in their list of entities with connections to the firm doesn't necessarily mean that the party was a creditor, but that they were on FTX's books and records. Next, Senator Ted Cruz has reintroduced a resolution that would allow vending machines at the Capitol complex to accept digital assets as payments. The resolution would require the architect of the Capitol, the Secretary of the Senate, and the Chief Administrative Officer of the House of Representatives to encourage Capitol gift shops to accept crypto payments and to work with vendors who accept it for food and vending machine purchases. Cruz has said that this would benefit foreign tourists because they wouldn't need to pay those high currency exchange fees. In a statement, he said that he's pushing for this partly because crypto is increasingly being used as a secure form of payment for goods and services. On another note, the Federal Reserve has just rejected Custodia Bank's application to be supervised by the U.S. Central Bank. The Fed cited safety risks as a reason for the rejection, specifically arguing that the crypto-focused firm, which is based in Wyoming, lacked a sufficient risk management framework to address things like crypto's potential use in money laundering and terrorist financing activities. In addition to denying Custodia Bank's application, the Fed also clarified that banks supervised by the agency, with or without deposit insurance, are subject to the same limitations on activities, including those related to crypto. Subscribe to the Crypto General to keep up with the latest crypto projects and news.